Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Shadowban on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve Shadowban on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to Clash of Clans. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Clash of Clans. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.